Welcome to my video. In this video we are going to check out some Amazon gadget that literally everyone is buying from, gadgets that are really handy for home and daily life tasks. These are Amazon's most viral smart Amazon gadget. You must see, and like always, links to these gadgets will be in the description below. The Nicewell 22 pounds digital kitchen scale combines precision, durability, and sleek design, perfect for anyone who loves cooking, baking, or meal prepping. With a high-precision sensor system, it delivers accurate measurements from 1 gram to 22 pounds, ensuring you get perfect results every time. Made with stainless steel and tempered glass, this kitchen scale is not only stylish but also easy to clean and resistant to stains or odors. The large backlit LCD display makes readings clear and easy. The Yusshn-Digital-Kitchen-Scale is designed to bring precision and convenience to your cooking, baking, and nutrition routine. Equipped with advanced sensors, it offers ultra-fine accuracy down to 1G, enabling you to measure ingredients with exceptional detail. Built to last, the surface is crafted from stainless steel, offering scratch resistance and an easy-to-clean design. Its streamlined finish also resists fingerprints and adds a sleek look to your kitchen setup. The Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale is the ultimate tool for precision in the kitchen, whether you're cooking, baking, preparing keto meals, or portioning for weight management. With a sleek platform made of 304-grade stainless steel, it's durable, hygienic, and easy to wipe clean. It supports a variety of units: grams, ounces, pounds, ounces, milliliters, so you can switch seamlessly between recipes and food prep styles. The high-precision sensor system delivers highly accurate readings. The Etekcity waterproof rechargeable digital kitchen scale takes your cooking, baking, and meal prep game to the next level. With a sleek 304-grade stainless steel platform, it combines durability and modern style while resisting stains and odors. It supports multiple units: grams, ounces, pounds, ounces, milliliters, and delivers high-precision measurements as fine as 1G, enabling you to follow recipes or track portions with exact accuracy. Its intuitive display and auto-off function make it easy. The Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale is your simple, accurate, and affordable way to measure ingredients for everyday cooking and baking. Designed with a sleek black and stainless steel finish, it adds a modern touch to any kitchen countertop. This scale delivers precise measurements up to 11 pounds, making it perfect for everything from meal prep to portion control. The easy-to-read LCD display clearly shows weight in multiple units: grams, ounces, pounds, or kilograms. Thanks for watching.